Thank you for calling Thomas Restaurant. How may I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation.
May I know your name, ma'am, so I can address you properly?
Miguel C. Buencisesa.
On what day and time, ma'am?
On April 15th at 7 a.m.
For how many guests, ma'am?
For one table.
Under what name I'm going to place this reservation, ma'am?
Under my name.
And a phone number where we can reach you, ma'am?
012345678991.
Do you prefer a smoking or non-smoking area, ma'am?
I prefer a non-smoking area.
Thank you, ma'am. May I repeat the table reservation details? This is under the name of Miss Miguel Ben Suceso for one person on April 15 at 7 a.m. And your phone number is 0123-456-7891. And you prefer a non-smoking area. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes?
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Thomas Restaurant. May I tell your reservation?
Yes?
May I have your name, ma'am, to check your reservation?
Miguel C. Buencisesa.
It's nice to see you, Miss Ben Sucesa. Wait a minute. I will check your name on our reservation list.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. This way, please. Please be seated. Thank you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting, ma'am. Your table is there. This way, please. This table is okay for you, ma'am.
Yes.
Please have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I unfold your napkin?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Michelle and I will be your waitress for tonight. So, here's your water, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. There's our menu card for your food selection. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
My order is shawarma rice
With vegetable or only?
with vegetable.
May I repeat your order? One shawarma rice with vegetable.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's our utensil. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your order. One shawarma rice with vegetable. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.